Hey guys, so today we are going to see how to append a list in another list one by one. So let's define a random list with random values, then another list in which we are going to add the values, and the code is like this: for I, an iterating variable in A, so I in A, append that I value in B. Let's run this and let's print B and see if it worked. Yes, it worked. So what happened here? I will take all the values of A one by one. It will take 0, it will append it to B. It will take 1, it will append it to B. And till the end. And that's how you append in a list. Thanks for watching, and comment if you have any questions, and I will see if I can solve that.